grade 2. Welcome to our special revision session. Let's start. Our first topic is about plant parts. Do you remember when we said the plant parts are roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits? Excellent, grade 2. Now we are gonna talk about our second topic, which is functions or jobs of plant parts. Different parts of plant do different jobs. But before we talk about function or jobs of plant parts, we need to know, where does root grow? Root grows down into the soil, under the ground. So we can't see roots. Okay. Where does stem grow? Yes, stem grows up to the soil, to the light, above the ground. So we can see stem. Okay. Where does leaf grow? Excellent, grade 2. Leaf grows from the branches. So we can see leaf. Okay. Now we are gonna talk about functions or jobs. What does root do? Root takes up water from the soil to the plant. Keeps the plant standing, yes, all the time. Okay. What does stem do? Stem carries water from roots up to branches, leaves, and then to the flowers. Stem also supports and holds the leaves. Okay. What does leaf do? Yes, leaf helps plant to, excellent, grade 2, to breathe. And leaves makes food for the plant. Okay. And we must know, leaves have different shapes. Most leaves have, yes, green colors. So, plant parts we can see stem, leaves, branches, fruits, and flowers. Okay. Plant parts we can see like roots. Okay, grade 2. We must know water moves through the plant from the roots up to the stem, then to the branches and out of the plant through leaves. Okay. Our third topic is about photosynthesis process. Okay. The plant can't eat like us. Yes. So it makes its own food through a process called photosynthesis process. It's a process by which the plant makes its own food. Okay. Photosynthesis process happens in the green leaves. Okay. Now, I want to ask you a very simple question. What do the plants need to make photosynthesis process? Yes. Water and mineral from the, excellent, from the soil. Energy from the sun. Gas from the air, CO2. Excellent, grade 2. Now, we are gonna talk about the plant parts we can eat. We eat different parts of the plant. We can eat seeds like nuts, rice, beans. Okay. We can eat roots that grow under the ground like carrot and beetroot. we can eat stems that grow above the ground, like celery and sugarcane. And we can eat leaves that grow from the stem, like cabbage, lettuce, spinach. Okay. And we can eat flowers that grow from the stem, like cauliflower and broccoli. Also, we can eat fruits that have seeds inside it, like tomato, orange, grapes, and mango. Okay. You must know we can eat all plant parts, but not in the same plant. We can eat all plant parts in different plants. For example, we can eat carrot as root, but we can't eat stem and leaves of carrot. Now we are gonna talk about floating and sinking. Where do the things that float go when I put them in water? Things that float stay on the surface of the water. Okay. Do all the things around us float? No. Things that float are lighter than water. For example, plastic ruler, pencil, leaf, plastic bottle, feather, pot, oil, and rubber. Okay. Does a plastic bottle float on the surface of the water? Yes, because it's lighter than water. Okay. Where do the things that sink go when I put them in water? Things that sink go down under the surface of water. Okay. Do all things around us sink? No. Things that sink are heavier than water. For example, stone, rock, coins, metal key, nails, metal spoon, and marble. Okay. Does a metal key sink go down under the surface of water? Yes, because it's heavier than water. Okay. Now we are gonna talk about states of matter. Anything around us is called, yes, matter. We have three types or states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. Number one, solid. If I have a matter, how do I know if it's a solid? Solids have definite shapes. Solids have definite shapes. So, solids keep their shapes. Shape doesn't change. Shape doesn't change. For example, chair, tables, key, bottle, glass, box, pencil. Okay. Number two, liquids have indefinite shapes. Liquids have indefinite shapes. So, liquids change their shapes because liquids take the shape of, yes, take the shape of container. Do you know the meaning of container? Yes, it's something that holds or stores things inside it, like box or bottle. Okay? Okay. Gas. Gases have indefinite shape. Gases change their shapes. Change their shapes. Like water vapor, steam, smoke, air, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, or CO2. Okay? Okay. Water turns into water vapor by heating. Now we are gonna talk about solubility. Soluble matters, some matters are soluble in the water. Soluble matters disappear in the water during mixing. So I can see them like sugar and salt. So when I mix sugar or salt with water, it disappears in water and I can see it. That's why I say sugar soluble in the water. Sugar or salt soluble in the water. Okay. Some matters are insoluble in water. Stay in water during mixing. Insoluble matters stay in water during mixing, so I can see them, like sand, oil, and flour. So when I mix sand or oil with water, it stays in water during mixing, so I can see them. Okay, we have just finished our revision session. Make sure to study well, and I wish you all the best in the exam. Thank you, grade 2. Bye.